Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. To my returning viewers, I thank you. So on the menu today, we'll be making this delicious beef and onion stir fry. We'll be start off by separating some green onions. We're going to separate the white from the top part, and we're going to go ahead and slit those in half and then cut them in half again and set these aside. Now here we have a medium onion. We're just going to go ahead and slice these lengthwise. Then once we're done, we're just going to go ahead and use our fingers to separate these, make it much more easier when stir frying later on in this video. So we're going to go ahead and set these aside. So we'll be needing some fresh garlic for this. So here I have some cloves of garlic, and I'm going to go ahead and mince these super fine and set these aside before moving on to the next step. So here I have my beef. This is a piece of thin strip beef, grilling beef, but feel free to use any beef of choice. Once you slice it thin, you won't have nothing to worry about. So get you your favorite cut of beef and slice it as thin as possible, and then we're going to go ahead and marinate this into some deliciousness. Now into my bowl that I'm going to go ahead and marinate the beef in. So we're going to go ahead and use some soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, baking soda, baking powder, and some oyster sauce. And we're going to go ahead and mix well to combine. Once this is well mixed, we're going to go in with some neutral oil and some sesame oil. You want to make sure you add the oil after you mixed in the cornstarch and the baking soda part, and we're going to set aside. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and cook up our onions. Now these will not take a long time to cook because we don't want to overcook them. We want them to still have some crunch. So this will cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead, remove the onion from the pot, add a little bit more oil, and in with our beef. Now we're going to go ahead and stir fry this. You don't really want to move it around all at once. You could just leave this for about 30 to 45 seconds. Once you see a little color on the back, you're going to go ahead and flip these over and stir fry this until there is no more pink. We don't really want to overcook this, but the baking soda that we added earlier is going to make this super juicy and tender. At this point, we're going to add our fresh garlic. That way it don't burn and taste nasty. So we're going to stir fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding the rest of our ingredients. Now to the pan, we're going to go in with some cooking wine and some oyster sauce at this point. Mix it in well, and then we're going to go in with a bit of water. If you did not add your cornstarch to your mixture earlier, now would be the perfect time to add some cornstarch slurry. But because I've added the cornstarch earlier, I'm just going to add a little bit of water just to emulsify and allow everything to come together. Now in with those onions that we stir fried earlier and the fresh green part of the onion that we sliced and left off earlier. And that's it, guys. This beef and onion stir fry is done. It was super quick and easy, flavorful and tasty. The beef was super duper tender. I will leave a full written recipe of everything that I used down below, just in case you want to try this recipe. That's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so very much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and enjoy.